A well-kept garden doesn't shout, it speaks softly of patience, pride, and years of loving hands. And often, the difference between nice and truly beautiful is one quiet detail: the edge. At the Evergreen Seniors, we believe gardens, like life, are not rushed, they are shaped with wisdom. A clean edge does more than frame your flowers. It keeps grass from wandering, protects your hard work, and gives your yard that peaceful, finished feeling that makes you pause and smile. Today, we're sharing 10 timeless garden edging ideas, simple, affordable, and full of charm. No fancy tools, no complicated steps, just practical touches that bring order and warmth back to your space. Because sometimes, the smallest improvement creates the biggest transformation. Let's step outside together and rediscover the beauty waiting right at the edge. Brick and stone classic strength. Brick and natural stone have a timeless appeal. Like an old friend who's always been there. There's something comforting about the solid feel of brick beneath your hands, or the rough, warm texture of stone lining your flower beds. They aren't just decorative. They speak of stability, care, and patience, qualities every garden and every gardener needs. Using brick or stone for edging instantly gives your garden a sense of structure. Lay the bricks straight and even, and you'll create a formal, tidy look that draws the eye along clean lines. Want something a little softer, a little more whimsical? Arrange your stones in gentle curves, allowing the edge to follow the natural flow of your yard. Even slight curves can transform a garden from ordinary to inviting, adding warmth and charm that feels effortless. One of the great joys of brick and stone is their longevity. And like plastic or other short-term materials, these classic edges can last decades. They weather sun, rain, and frost. And with minimal upkeep, they remain just as beautiful year after year. When you touch them, you feel a sense of permanence, a reminder that good things, like gardens and relationships, take time to grow strong. Another advantage is versatility. Bricks can be stacked, laid flat, or angled. Stones can be fitted together tightly or left with small gaps for moss and ground cover to peek through. Each choice gives your yard a unique personality, while still keeping the look grounded in tradition. Pair brick with roses for a cottage feel, or stone with perennials for a natural, serene vibe. You can even mix and match for a layered, textured look that feels curated yet effortless. Finally, consider the memory and nostalgia that comes with these materials. Many of us grew up seeing well-tended yards framed by brick or stone edges. They evoke front yards of decades past, quiet streets in early morning sunlight, and the satisfaction of a garden that looks cared for. Installing a brick or stone edge is more than a practical step. It's a way of connecting with that sense of timelessness and beauty. Actionable tip: start small. Pick one flower bed or vegetable patch to outline with brick or stone. Measure your space, plan your pattern, and take it slow. Even a short edge can transform your garden's appearance, giving it the intentional, well-loved feel that draws compliments and smiles. Brick and stone remind us that good gardens are built to last, and that the simplest, sturdiest details often make the biggest difference. When you place each brick or stone with care, you're not just framing flowers, you're framing moments, memories, and the quiet beauty of a life lived with patience and intention. Wood and timber, warm and natural. There's something undeniably comforting about wood in the garden. Whether it's a neatly cut plank, a short timber border, or even a row of small logs, wood brings warmth and character that feels like it has always belonged in the soil. And like some modern materials that can feel cold or artificial, timber blends naturally into your garden. It almost whispers to your flowers and vegetables, "You're safe here. You're cared for." Wood is more than just pretty, it's practical, too. A wooden edge keeps grass from creeping into your flower beds, defines pathways, and gently separates your vegetables from the rest of the yard. And because wood is easy to work with, it's one of the most approachable edging materials for gardeners of all skill levels. You don't need heavy machinery or fancy tools. A simple saw, a mallet, and a little patience is enough to bring your vision to life. There's also a sense of nostalgia wrapped up in timber edging. Many of us remember the cozy, country gardens from childhood, of vegetables in neat rows, flowers spilling over small wooden borders, and the gentle scent of earth mixed with freshly cut wood. Using timber in your garden connects you to those memories, giving your space a feeling of home and tradition. It's like carrying a piece of your past into the present, while nurturing the life that grows under your care. Affordability is another reason wood remains a classic choice. You can find reclaimed wood, old planks, or even small logs from nearby sources, making it a sustainable option as well. Even a single bed framed with timber can transform the look of your yard, giving it that intentional, well-loved feel that draws the eye and encourages quiet appreciation. When installing wooden edging, there's room for creativity. Short timbers can be lined up flat for a clean, simple look, or you can bury them partially for a rustic, half-hidden effect that allows grass and soil to naturally soften the edge. For vegetable gardens, slightly raised wooden edges can help keep soil contained, while making harvesting and watering easier. You can even treat or seal the wood to extend its life, or let it age naturally to a silvery gray that deepens your garden's charm. Actionable tip: start with one corner of your garden or one small bed. Measure carefully, cut your planks to fit, and lay them flush with the soil or slightly raised for a natural look. Over time, you can expand your wooden edging across other parts of your yard, gradually building a unified, cozy, and intentional feel. In the end, wood reminds us that gardens don't need to be complicated to be beautiful. A simple timber edge brings structure, warmth, and familiarity, all while connecting us to the quiet joy of tending soil with our own hands. It's approachable, practical, and deeply satisfying, just like gardening itself. Metal and flexible edging, neat and low maintenance. Sometimes, the beauty of a garden lies in the quiet details, the subtle lines that keep everything in its place without drawing attention to themselves. That's where metal and flexible edging shine. Sleek, understated, and durable. Metal edging gives your garden crisp definition, creating clean borders that look polished yet effortless. Flexible metal edging, in particular, allows you to follow the natural curves of your garden beds. Straight lines can feel formal, but gentle curves add movement and flow, guiding the eye across your space and making your beds feel expansive and harmonious. And like some materials that demand rigid placement, flexible metal bends to your vision, letting you design edges that perfectly complement the shape of your yard. Whether it's a long, winding flower bed or a cozy vegetable patch, one of the quiet joys of metal edging is how invisible it can be. It doesn't distract from your plants or flowers. Instead, it works behind the scenes, keeping grass and weeds from encroaching and making mowing effortless. It's the unsung hero of the garden, performing its job diligently while letting your blooms, shrubs, and greenery take center stage. For gardeners who value low maintenance and efficiency, metal edging is a gift. Durability is another major advantage. And like wood, which may rot over time, or stone, which can shift in frost or rain, metal edging stands firm for years. Powder-coated options resist rust and weathering, meaning your borders can remain tidy and strong with minimal upkeep. Once installed, you'll notice how much easier it is to mow and trim, how neatly your beds hold soil and mulch, and how your garden instantly feels more intentional. Beyond practicality, there's a subtle elegance to metal edging. Its clean lines and minimalist style can modernize a traditional yard, or complement a contemporary space without overpowering it. You can mix it with gravel, mulch, or grass, creating contrasts that highlight textures and colors in your garden. The result is a look that feels thoughtfully designed, calm, and orderly, a garden that invites admiration without needing to shout. Actionable tip: start small by lining one bed or pathway. Measure carefully, secure the edging in place, and test your curves before finalizing. Flexible metal allows you to adjust and refine, so don't worry about perfection on your first try. Once in place, enjoy the simplicity, less weeding, easier mowing, and a garden that practically maintains itself while looking effortlessly neat. Metal and flexible edging remind us that elegance doesn't always need to be flashy. Sometimes the best improvements are quiet, reliable, and subtle, the small details that make your garden feel cared for, intentional, and undeniably beautiful. When every blade of grass and petal has its place, your yard feels like more than a garden. It becomes a sanctuary. Living borders and rocks, nature's way. There's something quietly magical about letting nature do the edging for you. Living borders, low-growing plants like lavender, creeping thyme, or chamomile offer a soft, fragrant edge that doesn't just define your garden, it invites life in. Butterflies, bees, and even small birds are drawn to these gentle borders, turning your garden into a small, vibrant ecosystem. Unlike rigid materials, Living edges grow and change over time, creating a dynamic, ever-evolving beauty that reflects the seasons and the care you give. Using plants as edges does more than look lovely. They help control weeds, guide foot traffic, and subtly keep soil and mulch in place. And because these plants are low-growing and hardy, they need very little maintenance once established. It's a living line of defense that feels completely natural, like the garden has always been there, quietly thriving, waiting for your attention at just the right moments. If you prefer a more sculpted natural look, rocks and small boulders can serve as permanent, understated borders. Arrange them along flower beds, vegetable gardens, or pathways to evoke a woodland or riverside charm. Their irregular shapes and earthy colors blend seamlessly with soil, grass, and greenery, creating an edge that looks like it has existed for decades. And much like nature itself, once they're placed, they hardly need any attention. Rain, sun, and seasons do the work of maintaining their beauty. Combining living borders with rocks can create a layered effect that is both practical and visually stunning. Imagine creeping thyme spilling over smooth stones, lavender standing tall beside a cluster of boulders, or moss gently covering the gaps between rocks. The interplay of textures, colors, and heights draws the eye naturally, while reinforcing the edge in multiple ways, a perfect harmony of form and function. There's also an emotional rhythm in choosing this approach, and like precise, straight lines or formal bricks, living edges and rocks celebrate imperfection, growth, and patience. They remind us that beauty doesn't always need to be forced. It emerges naturally when given care and space, just as our gardens, and even our lives, flourish over time when nurtured patiently. Actionable tip: begin with one flower bed or a small section of your yard. Plant low-growing herbs or flowers along the edge, leaving enough space for them to spread gradually. If using rocks, start with a small collection, arranging them loosely at first until you find a natural flow that pleases the eye. Over time, add more plants or stones to extend the border, creating a seamless, living edge that feels both intentional and effortless. Living borders and rocks remind us that gardens don't always need to be structured to be beautiful. Sometimes the quietest, most natural choices bring the greatest joy. Budget and creative edges, frugal and personal. Gardening doesn't have to break the bank to look beautiful. Some of the most charming and meaningful edges come from creativity, resourcefulness, and a touch of imagination. Lightweight plastic edging is one of the simplest solutions for quick projects. It's easy to cut, easy to install, and perfect for defining curves or keeping mulch in place without heavy tools or labor. For gardeners who want fast results with minimal effort, plastic offers a practical, low-cost option that still gives a polished finish. But beyond store-bought solutions, some of the most personal garden borders come from things you already have. Old terracotta pots can be turned on their sides to create a quaint, cottage-like edge. Leftover bricks, pavers, or even broken concrete pieces can be repurposed into charming pathways or rustic borders. Found wood, discarded bottles, and other recycled materials can become a creative frame for your flower beds. These are more than just edging materials, they carry memories, stories, and personality, transforming your garden into a reflection of you. Using recycled or budget-friendly materials also encourages experimentation. Because you're not tied to expensive or permanent solutions, you can try out curves, patterns, and combinations until you find what feels right. Maybe a row of old teacups becomes a whimsical herb border, or a patch of colorful tiles frames a vegetable bed. The possibilities are endless, and each choice tells a story. Your story in a way that store-bought perfection never could. Actionable tip: walk through your garden with a fresh eye. Notice where a border is needed, where grass sneaks in, or where a flower bed could feel more intentional. Then look around your home for items you might repurpose: old bricks, pots, stones, wood scraps. Combine them with simple plastic or wire edging if needed, and create a border that is unique, meaningful, and completely yours. At the end of the day, garden edging isn't about perfection. It's about care of the small, thoughtful touches that show your garden has been tended with love. It's about creating order from the soil, keeping your plants safe, and giving your yard that quiet, intentional beauty that draws the eye and calms the heart. Step back once your edges are in place. Notice how neat your flower beds look. Feel the satisfaction of a boundary that keeps grass where it belongs. Look at the curves, the stones, the living plants, all the small choices that come together to create harmony. That's pride, patience, and joy in action. We'd love to hear from you. Which edging style feels most like you? Are you drawn to classic brick, cozy timber, natural rocks, flowing living borders, or your own creative DIY solutions? Share your story in the comments.